Hello, good afternoon viewers. This is Tanvir again. I am here at Beaver Island at Niagara Falls, Buffalo. This is a beautiful beach located at the Beaver Island. It's called Beaver Island is located on the west side of the Niagara Falls, and it's in the upper Niagara area. They have a beautiful half-mile-long beach. It's a sandy beach. It's very nice. People are here enjoying the nature, and it's a very beautiful day today. So I hope you enjoy this nature walk and the beach walk. Here are some places you can also do the barbecue and have some good times with friends and family. On the other side of the beach, you can see a lot of people are swimming. I believe on the other side of this river is Canada, but not sure. Looks like. This is around 30 minutes drive from Buffalo City. It's a very nice place. They have a courtyard on the other side where you can have party, you can have dinner. There is a children's park as well. And this is the boardwalk. It's made of wood. It's a nice boardwalk. You can walk and enjoy the beach side view. On the river, I don't know if you can see, people are boating. It's very nice. There are a lot of speedboats up there. I guess you can hear the noise. The other side of the beach, you can see there is a small marina where people can park their boat and can enjoy the beautiful lake over here. You can see a lot of seagulls here. Wow, that's a lot. I think they're searching for food because people are having here picnic, and the leftover food, the birds are enjoying the food there. Right now it's almost 5 p.m. but as you can see, a lot of people are enjoying the beach. Today is around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's really hot and nice sunny day. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this walk with me. I'll see you soon in next video. By this time, please like, share and subscribe my video so that it will inspire me to make more videos like this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.